discovered 7 legitimate remote work from home jobs that offer flexible or overnight options, sometimes both. These jobs are relatively easy to secure, and I'll provide examples along with comprehensive details to help you determine if they're suitable for you. Before we go any further into this video, welcome to Cash Money Ideas. Here, we will show you the most up-to-date making money online ideas, tips, and tricks. Please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And lastly, don't forget to leave a comment below. We would love to hear your thoughts. Now let's get back to the video. First on the list is a donation coordinator. In this role, you can truly make a difference in someone's life. Typically hired by organ procurement organizations, OPOs, you'll engage with individuals to discuss organ donation possibilities, whether from deceased donors' families or living donors. This position facilitates successful transplants and pays approximately $4,000 to $58,000 per year. While it may require some training, most companies provide the necessary onboarding. Skills necessary include excellent written and verbal communication, empathy, high emotional intelligence, multitasking ability in fast-paced environments, and strong attention to detail. To start, consider applying for a transplant coordinator position at Buckeye Transplant via their career page. The role shares similarities with the donations coordinator position. Pros of this job include meaningful work, remote work with flexible hours, including night shifts, and opportunities to develop robust communication and interpersonal skills. However, be prepared for potential emotional challenges and the need for sensitive communication skills. Overall, I rate this opportunity an 8 out of 10. It's a good entry point, particularly for those interested in pursuing a career in the medical field. Next up is a fun one, a strategy guides writer. If you possess a sharp strategic mind for video games and a knack for words, this role could be perfect for you. Strategy guides. Writers spend their days playing video games and crafting guides to help others conquer game challenges. This position typically pays between $45,000 to $80,000 annually. For freelance roles like those at GameRant.com, earnings range from $43,000 to $73,000 per year. Check out opportunities on GameRant's website, where you'd be expected to contribute a minimum of 25 guide articles monthly, pitch regular guide content, and conduct research on popular games. Familiarity with SEO practices is beneficial and can be self-taught through blogging or YouTube channels. Skills required include exceptional writing abilities, deep knowledge of video games and gaming strategies, proficiency in research and SEO practices, and the ability to meet deadlines. While you can set your own working schedule, expect tight deadlines and a competitive job market. I rate this opportunity a 6.5 out of 10 due to its competitiveness and stress associated with deadlines. However, if interested in learning about succeeding on platforms like YouTube, check out my upcoming live training session, where I'll share insights on growing and monetizing channels. Now, let's explore a unique opportunity, the User Experience Advocate, also known as a Customer Experience Specialist. This role resembles high-level customer service, often at innovative tech companies working with high-profile clients. Expect to earn between $57,000 to $100,000 annually. Skills required include strong communication, quick problem-solving abilities, exceptional customer service skills, interpersonal communication skills, and a knack for technology. Check out specific roles like the User Experience Advocate position listed on a company's website. This role may vary in name and responsibilities across different companies and regions. Pros of this job include playing a crucial role in the tech industry's success, developing strong customer service skills, and competitive pay. However, be prepared for the technical knowledge required about the company's products and potential stress associated with customer service roles. Overall, I rate this opportunity a solid 9 out of 10. Next up is a Medicare benefits consultant. In this role, you assist Medicare users in navigating the complex U.S. healthcare system, potentially saving them over $1,000 monthly on medical costs. Drawing from my experience as a pharmacist, I know that proper use of Medicare and insurance can lead to significant savings. As a Medicare benefits consultant, you can earn between $78,000 to $138,000 annually. Here are some opportunities displayed on screen for you to explore. Essential skills and qualifications include empathy, sales acumen, patience, and a deep understanding of Medicare and healthcare systems. This role allows you to make a tangible difference in the lives of seniors by helping them choose optimal Medicare plans. Despite being technically a sales position, it emphasizes education and support over sales tactics, typically not requiring previous sales experience. However, expect to study and pass a resident health license exam, although many companies provide resources for this. The role can be emotionally demanding. Overall, I rate this opportunity a 9.5 out of 10. Next on the list is a bilingual marketing assistant. This role involves creating and sharing engaging content across various social media platforms, often interacting with followers in multiple languages, such as English and Spanish. Being bilingual gives a significant advantage, enhancing your ability to connect with diverse audiences. Bilingual marketing assistants earn approximately $45,000 to $66,000 per year. Opportunities are available on screen for you to review. Required skills include excellent written and verbal communication in both English and another language, social media proficiency, and content creation abilities. Pros include improving bilingual skills, learning valuable marketing expertise, while cons include a comparatively lower starting salary among remote jobs. Overall, I rate this opportunity an 8.5 out of 10. For those interested in entering digital marketing or advancing within it, I recommend checking out the free masterclass linked in the description and pinned comment below, which many viewers have successfully utilized to secure digital marketing jobs. Moving forward, we have the service request processor position. This role primarily involves handling customer requests for building maintenance services, processing and dispatching them promptly, especially urgent requests. Service request processors earn approximately $40,000 to $61,000 annually. Here are some opportunities displayed on screen for you to explore further. Key qualifications include strong communication skills, problem-solving abilities, time management, multitasking, and basic computer literacy. Pros include plentiful work-from-home opportunities, flexible and nighttime job options, stable full-time employment with benefits, and clearly defined tasks. However, cons include requiring focused adherence to schedules due to frequent phone use, limited flexibility during work hours, and the repetitive nature of tasks, which may not appeal to everyone. Overall, I rate this opportunity a 7.5 out of 10. Next on the list is an agent support specialist, specifically within the repossession industry. In this role, you ensure the return of rental vehicles and cars to their respective dealerships or rental companies. Repossessions often occur outside standard 9-to-5 working hours, including nights or flexible schedule hours, offering numerous opportunities. The salary for this position ranges from $41,000 to $58,000 annually. A college degree or prior experience is not required to enter this field. Opportunities are available on screen for further exploration. Key skills needed include effective communication, strong organizational abilities, teamwork, and the capacity to work independently. Pros of this role include remote work options with overnight hours, pivotal involvement in a dynamic industry, and diverse tasks that offer problem-solving opportunities. However, cons include the necessity for robust communication skills, potential interactions with upset individuals, disrupted sleep patterns due to overnight shifts, and the fast-paced nature that may not suit everyone. Overall, I rate this opportunity a 7 out of 10. By the way, if you know someone who could benefit from this information, feel free to share this video with them. If you love this Make Money Online video and found the content interesting and informative, please like and leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. And press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And don't forget to subscribe to Cash Money Ideas. See you in the next video.